Hello and welcome to another travel vlog. In this one we're exploring Chiang Mai. We got the train from Bangkok to Chiang Mai train station.
So we've arrived at our backpacker stand and it's been brilliant so far. We've had an introduction of everything that we can do in Chiang Mai and we've just ordered breakfast and it looks amazing. We've got a Thai iced coffee and a breakfast burrito. I'm so hungry.
After a day of exploring the temples, we then headed out for some street food. There was so much choice.
Food has arrived. I've got tofu noodles and what have you got?
Noodles with pork dumpling.
We then headed back to our backpackers and got some rest.
Good morning everyone, it's day 2 of Chiang Mai and today we're going to Elephant Land Elephant Sanctuary, which is going to be really cool and exciting. So that brings us to the end of day 2 in Chiang Mai and we had such a good time and I will see you again tomorrow. Good morning everyone, it's day 3 of Chiang Mai and today we're heading to Sammy's organic cooking class to cook some original Thai dishes. Now we're heading to the market to get all of the ingredients for the meals that we're going to be making today and it's just me and Dylan doing the cooking class.
Just us.
Just us two, no one else. So it's a proper VIP experience. It's a bit puppy and I will see you at the market.
Pad Thai, okay. Bean sprout,
Yeah.
and this chive. Maybe in England, the
Spring onion.
looks similar to spring onion,
Oh, no.
same family.
Yeah.
Chive in
Chive.
English. But yes, you use for Pad Thai today. Pad Thai for this, Pad Thai as well. Egg and turbo, okay. But the color from turmeric. You know turmeric?
Yeah.
I show you in my garden what they look like the whole turmeric.
Overall, we made a soup, a green Thai curry, chicken in cashew sauce and sticky mango rice.
We then headed back to the city to go and see Chiang Mai's night market. This is a great place to get cheap souvenirs and t-shirts. The next day we headed to the Grand Canyon, which is essentially a water park on a lake. We then packed our bags and said goodbye to Chiang Mai, as next upon our adventure was Phuket. We got a night flight to Phuket and arrived around midnight. Don't forget to read my blog for an in-depth understanding of Chiang Mai and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.